Hey G Squad, welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this equipment here, and basically what this is another cool product here from Laifen. If you guys see my videos, you guys know I review a lot of products from this brand and they don't really disappoint. They do make a really high quality product for an affordable price, especially if you guys do compare it to like the competitors like Dyson, etc., which is really cool. So this is a new product they have called Laifen Ear. I did have the chance to try this at like one of the China hotels recently, so I do have the chance to understand how it works and everything. But for right now, let's open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm pull this little tab right here. The way how they package the product with our Laifen, it just feels like you're opening like a brand new Apple product, which is really cool. But once you guys open up, here's what the interior part looks like here. So we do have the hair dryer right here. When you guys do take it out, they do have the cord here as well. So you guys take it out right here. It's really small, which is nice. On the bottom part, they do give you guys some more stuff as well, like the safety guides and the warranty stuff here. They also give you guys like a little bag as well. And there's one other thing inside here. If I can take it out and remove all this to one side for now so that we don't need it. So they do give you guys one of these accessory heads that you guys can use, which is nice magnetic head, as you can see. They do give you guys nice one of these nice little bags that's foldable, so you guys open it up and it becomes this bag here that you guys can use to store the product, which is nice. Makes it very nice and travel friendly, which is pretty cool, as you can see. So it folds into this bag here. You guys can open it up and zip it up if you guys do want. So you guys can use that to like store stuff there, maybe for that little accessory head right here. Put it inside. And then this one, you guys can put like the actual hair dryer inside, and it's really soft material, which is nice. So that's pretty cool and very thoughtful of them to do something like this that's foldable and whatnot. And then here we do have the product. So if I do take it out, this is pretty much what it looks like for the color that we have here. It's actually pretty small for what you guys do get on this unit here, which is nice. They do have another unit that they call, I guess, the mini, but I think this one is even smaller since it's an Air product. But this is pretty much what it looks like here. So they do have the little paper here to show you guys how to use each different setting on here, but you do need to remove that first. So this peel is open right here like this, and just take it out. Same thing for this one here. And then once you guys do take it out, this is what it looks like on here. So you guys can push right here to turn it on, push right here to change different settings. And then there's the indicator light right here that will show you guys the different settings on here as usual. And this is the part where the air will come out. They do have the option here for you to take out for the filter option here as usual, so nothing different there. And then here's the cord that you guys want to use with the safety options here. And the actual hair dryer does fit inside, which is nice. So just put it inside right here, and it makes it very, I guess, travel friendly is the word. So when you guys put it inside right here, it won't get scratched or anything or damaged, which is nice. And you guys can just store this into your luggage or wherever you guys want to put it. And you guys will know where it's going to be each time when you guys do use it. So that's pretty much everything on here for what you guys do get. Let me actually plug this in and let's give this a try to see how it works and everything, or how it feels. But looking at the product itself already, it's definitely a really small compact product, so I can see why they call it the Air. And then for this part right here, you just stick it on. Or it's not even stick on, I think this is clip on. Yeah, so the clip on, so it's not magnetic or anything on here. Some of the other models that they have, which I'll do a different video to talk about it, there is a magnetic option. So this one is not magnetic. But let's plug this in and let's give this a try. So unplug it in here. All right, so once you guys plug it in, let's turn this on. So turn it on the back part right here. Notice how when you guys do turn it on, there is a little indicator light right here that turns on. And that's the indicator light to show you guys the different temperature you guys are using that you guys can change on the bottom button right here. But 1, and then 2. So when you guys do use it, you guys definitely see how powerful it is on here, which is nice. So this is 1. And then this is 2. Pretty powerful if you guys can see, and it actually helped me kind of like blow the hair already like that. And then if you guys do change the setting, let me show you guys what it looks like. So press right here. The orange is warm, and then red means it's on hot. And it heats up pretty quickly on here as well. And keep in mind that if it's your first time using product, there is going to be like a smell that comes out, but that's normal for hair dryers, so you don't have to worry about that. But the material overall feels really nice. It has this very glossy design or glossy material on here as well, so it feels pretty nice and it does have a pretty good grip. But that's pretty much everything in terms of what you guys do get on here. Really cool product overall that heats up pretty quickly and also cools down pretty quickly when you guys use it. And the power on here is really strong as well, if you guys can see. If you can see how a good job it does to help me blow the hair, and it keeps it in that kind of position after using it as well, which is nice. But yeah, that's pretty much everything on this product here. So pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it now to get one of these here, I think it's actually really worth it in terms of what you guys do get. And like I mentioned, it is a little bit smaller than the other one that I have from the same brand, which I'll do a different video talking about that. But based on what you can see so far, I do like it a lot, and it's a lot more, I think it's a little bit cheaper, a little bit more affordable than other ones as well. Yeah, not a bad product at all. Definitely recommend getting one of these. It's not as big as the other products from this brand, or like from Dyson or from other brands as well, so that's pretty cool. So highly recommend checking this out if you guys are interested or in the market looking for a portable hair dryer to use.